Hello traders, today is Wednesday. I'm going to share with you the Sonic trading system, the signals, and explain to you a little bit on the best way to use this system. And not only that, today we have news, and it's really important that the traders that are trading during a news event understand what could happen. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So if you take a look at my chart, we have the Sonic trading system up on the chart. The most recent signal was a long. I also realized that it's 10 o'clock. On Wednesdays, typically we have news events that could be very strong and impactful and be a problem for traders. So if you're a new trader, you're going to see that the market could move very fast and very strong when there's a high probability news event. So as an example, there was a signal on the Sonic trading system long 55, 45, 50 at the same time or just in front of a 10 o'clock news event. So you see the time there, 10 o'clock, New York time, and then look how large the reaction to the news is. This is a reason and a perfect reason to understand if you have a news event and there's a signal, wait a few minutes, wait until the signal has passed in order to take the next trade where the market is normal. So what you're seeing here where there's a reaction to the news is absolutely normal. So this is what I'm trying to avoid as a trader. This is something that you should also be aware of. Now after this news event is over, let's take a look at some more normal trading using the Sonic trading system. Alright, so here we are about 7 minutes after the news event, and the market's becoming a little bit more normalized. We don't see these large reactionary candles. Now, if you're still looking to trade or have an opportunity, there is a long at 55.44 quarter, and this is a Sonic signal to go long. I still think it's a little bit strong. The market being at 8 on the average true range is considered a volatile market still. So for those of you who are a little bit more conservative, wait until the price action and the average true range gets closer to 5 or 6 where we're not in this crazy chaotic situation. We're trying to be successful in the market. We're not trying to enter when it's riskier. We have a lot more to lose. So just something to consider. Now, if you're asking, where do I find news events or where can I know when these news events occur? Take a look at the Day Trade to Win economic calendar. You can also get the Day Trade to Win news indicator, which I have there on the chart. This news indicator shows when there's news events. It gives you an audible alert just before the news event, so it's right at your fingertips. You can get the Day Trade to Win news indicator for free, actually. If you don't already have the one of our programs, we have a free trial for the news indicator, or you can use the economic calendar, which you can get anywhere for free, and that's also at daytradetowin.com. All economic calendars give you the same information. So as long as you're looking at an economic calendar of some sort, this is really going to help you. Now, something else we as traders should understand is that it's a little bit different when you're trading under a more volatile condition as you're seeing now compared when the market is normal or a little bit slower. The Sonic trading system allows you to trade any time frame. So for example, right now we're on a 1-minute chart, market's a little bit more volatile, the ATR is high, volatility is high. Let me show you now a different way to trade, which is using a 15-second or a 30-second chart. In this example, I'm using a 15-second chart, and the ATR, the average true range, is about 2.5. That's healthy. That's really a good move. That's about $150, $125 on every trade using the E-mini S&P. So that is a good move on any scale. So the Sonic trading system, it's not just a minute or a 5-minute chart, which you can, but you can also trade a second chart, which we have plenty of time. Here is 2.5 points. We can have time, enough time to enter, enough time to place a target, enough time to place a stop, and it's laid out for you. There's also tick charts as well as range charts. So the Sonic trading system allows you to use any chart type. I think it depends on the person and the market, the type of trading that you want to do. We have plenty of trades, so it's not as if we're waiting all day for 1 or 2 setups or trades. In the last, let's say, 10 minutes, right, or less than 10 minutes, we have 1, 2, 3 trades. All 3 trades were successful. The 55.41, 55.42.50, and this last one, 55.41.75. I don't think that you need to trade 100 times a day, but I think if you have 3 or 4 winning trades in a row, or 3 or 4 winning trades overall, and you're up for the day, here's a new one, 55.46. I think that it's more than enough opportunities for you to get in, get out, and actually be finished for the day. So my goal is not to overtrade. It's really to trade right. So in this example, you see the entry at 55.46. I have my entry a little bit lower. It looks like the market already went up to the target. Here, I'm just adjusting it in order to try to get filled, to show you that I'm trying to get filled on a limit order, and the market's running away from me. I'm canceling the order. Perfectly fine. I'll have a new order in about another minute or two that I can take a look at. But if I missed it, and if I'm not able to enter, or if the market moves directly into my target, there's no real sense or reason for me to try again. I'm trying to take the same trade twice, essentially. I'm not going to do that. So if I can't get in 55.46 as I'm trying to do a video and talking to you, here's a new one. And there's a new trade right around the corner. So here is a new trade, 55.49.75. This is a long trade. There's the target at 55.51 quarter, and the stop is right there. So I have everything I need. This will be maybe the 3rd or 4th trade for the day. Plenty of trades. You can use a tick chart. I like 1,000 tick chart. We have a filter that goes along with this to keep you on the right side of the market. And we also include training. So if anyone has any questions on the Sonic trading system, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Check your member accounts, those of you who are members at DayTradeToWin, for the link to attend live on the trading room. And I will see everyone at the next video. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system, only available at DayTradeToWin.com. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.